Hi friends, so today's video is going to be a video where I'm going to be wearing a full face of makeup to school, and I have finals today. Today's my last day of finals and basically like my last full day of middle school, so I'm really excited to finish middle school because I freaking hate middle school and I just hate school and I just want it to be summer so I can actually do stuff. But today, I'm just gonna be wearing like a full-on face of makeup with lashes included, and I'm gonna be wearing that to finals because I actually don't know why, but I think I'm gonna do like a really natural brown eyeshadow look. Not too much, just like plain and very simple, but still a full face. This video is going to be kind of like a collab with my really good friend Josie. She also has a channel. She's been on my channel a couple times, just like featured in a couple of videos and stuff like that. I've never really done kind of like a video with her. I really want to film a lot of videos with her because she's literally the sweetest person ever. Please go subscribe to her. I will have her channel, her video, everything linked. I love her so much. She came up with this idea, so we're doing it together and we're gonna meet up. Right now it's 6 o'clock. We're gonna meet. I'm so loud. Anyway, we're gonna meet up like 7-ish, so I have an hour to do my makeup and I'm not making any progress. Today I have a math final, and I have finals in middle school because I took a couple of like advanced classes and they're basically like high school courses, so we have to take finals for them. So I had like Spanish finals for 2 days, and then these past few days I've had math finals. I didn't study for any of my finals, probably failed all of them, but whatever. And like usually for finals I want to be comfortable, so I always wear like no makeup and like sweats and stuff, but I'm gonna be extra for today. Yeah, man. And I won't be able to vlog that much at school because my phone is broken. Whenever I try to record, it doesn't record the sound, which freaking sucks. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up my makeup and talk to you sisters later. Guys, I just finished my makeup. It looks so bad. I was in such a rush and it's just not a cute look. Not cute, but we're gonna go with it. Whatever, but now I need to go meet up with Josie and oh, it looks so bad. Is this shirt that I'm wearing and then just jeans.
This is me. This is Josie's fit.
Scary.
It's a trash can where you belong. Okay, come on. Where's everything from? Oh, this is from Pakistan. I think it's like their brand. This is from the brand Brandy Melville. These are the things that everyone has, and this is from Target.
Yummy. Makeup, what palette do you use?
Huda Beauty.
Come here.
Yeah, it's like Vogue.
You gotta be like in the light. Okay, alright. Oh, let's have a close-up. Oh,
there's
shish
all
for
that.
what highlight?
I'm using Wet n Wild something.
Yummy. Lips?
Lashes? Dodo lashes in
Your eyes are
D115.
so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness. Look at her.
Thank you.
Yummy. Okay, my turn.
Yummy mommy. Yummy mommy.
Yummy mommy.
Now let's work with these full Emily.
Alright, sisters. This is thrifted. These are from Texas. And those are Vans. And then wearing necklaces.
In this sense.
I got lots of change and bands, flex.
I look busted.
Okay, honestly, Beverly Hills Times and Reed.
Oh, that's so pretty. Eyeshadow. Okay,
Eyeshadow, these soft glammies that I freaking hated. It was the worst palette I've ever. Lashes, Dodo lashes. Use code EmilyXI and what's your code?
I forgot mine. I think I don't.
We'll put it on the screen and link down below.
Okay, we're gonna stop it here.
Hey guys, I just came home. My eyeshadow lasted pretty well. But during finals, I literally could not think straight because of these stupid lashes. Like, they were bugging me so much. I was in a rush this morning, so I did my lashes like really bad. They were like poking my eye the whole entire time. But I did manage to go to school the whole entire day with a full face on. I do not recommend wearing fake eyelashes to school. It's so annoying, and my school is like weird. Like, the classrooms are either like super hot or super cold. There's no in between. So one period I was freaking freezing to death, and then the next I was sweating my balls off. Whatever, but I'm kind of like really proud of the eyeshadow.
It looks so bad.
All right, shush. Oh my goodness, I am free.